Hello, I'd like to share you a problem from 2002 AMC 10B. This is also in the AMC 10 preparation book that I've been doing a lot of problems with. Okay, the question goes, find the value or values of x such as that 8xy minus 12y plus 2x minus 3 equals 0 for all values of y. Okay, so once you have this sort of equation, I like to think of it as a helpful thing just off the bat to always factor. So using the book's method of factoring, which I really like in this way, we need to have something times something is equal to 8 xy, and then that thing times something else needs to be 2x. So I'm going to put 2x and 4y here, also looking that this is minus 12. So that when these two are multiplied together, I get this. But then when I have the 2x multiplied by 1, I just get 2x, which is this number here. And then I have to have the 4y multiplied by the minus 3 to have the minus 12y. And then you'll see these two multiplied by each other gives you the minus 3. So this can be factored into 2x minus 3 times 4y plus 1. The reason this video is probably going to be really short is because I was playing a Super Smash Bros. Ultimate tournament against a different school, and it was very intense, and it was for a few hours. And so once you have this equation, you have this number times this number in the parentheses, and then this number times this number. So if I just gave you, without using this method, this sort of equation, it would have looked really hard to factor. But now that you can do it in this sort of manner, the problems get exponentially easier. And it's not just like you have to think about it for a long time. You could actually use some sort of method to be able to solve it. Okay. So the next thing that we have here is that this is equal to 0, because this is just the factored form of this, or this is just the factored form of this, and it's equal to 0, so this is also equal to 0. Notice how we didn't have to add or subtract anything to this equation. Now, for I need to find the values of x, so this is true for all values of y. So that means that no matter what y I plug in, I'm still going to get 0. And that's going to be when this equation is equal to 0 times any number. Because 0 times any number is going to be equal to 0. So just to restate this, the values of x, so that any value of y turns this equation to 0, would be that when the 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, because 0 times any number is 0. So now I need to solve for 2x minus 3 equals 0. And so that means 2x equals 3, x equals 3 over 2. And that is the answer. Notice how they try to trick you up a little bit when they say the value or values of x. But I wouldn't be too concerned about that because it's a popular trick that you shouldn't fall for. Thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow, hopefully.